sneezing all the time.
I've told you to get a flu jab.
Aye, you need
Ma,
to.
Stacey the good.
Yeah.
I wasn't there for
Achoo!
for you.
I can't.
Oh, for you, if you dirty cunt. You shouldn't do that.
No, I can't stop sneezing.
Well, put your hand down your fucking nose.
You've been like that all morning.
Steve, calm down. You're gonna cry. Yeah.
You know what you want to do?
What?
If you've got a t-shirt or a pickish ball, put some bowl of water in,
I will.
put it on something where you
No, I can't help it. I keep doing it.
and put the towel over you.
I
and
will.
breathe.
I cannot stop. I cannot stop.
Breathe.
Achoo! No,
Come on, man.
I can't help it. It's just keep coming out.
Well, put your fucking hand on your mouth.
I apologise, Nana.
Well, keep back there when you're fucking sneezing. You daft cunt.
I can't even drive.
You know.
Nana, I'm sorry. It's gone in the wheel, man.
You want to put a towel.
Achoo!
You want to put your towel over the jug of the skin and keep bear it like I did.
Hey,
that
no.
tree, and
I'm
clean
sorry.
it.
I'm really sorry. My nose is clogged right up.
I've been telling him all morning, Iris.
What?
I've been telling him about it all morning. Journey,
To do what?
stop sneezing.
Achoo!
Are you sneezing on me, man? You dirty bastard, God forgive me. I never use that word. You're fucking sneezing on me. Dirty you use on me, on me face.